The Lord be with you. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Mark. At that time, Jesus went home with his disciples, and the crowd gathered again, so that they could not even eat. And when his family heard it, they went out to seize him, for they were saying, "He is out of his mind." The Gospel of the Lord. In the Gospel just now we heard the family of Jesus, his own relatives, said about Jesus, "He is out of mind." What does it mean by "he is out of his mind"? That means he is not a normal person. He has become abnormal person. Because what he is doing, he doesn't know. This is what his own relatives or the family members made an accusation on him. That means they rejected Jesus. They opposed Jesus. They became the enemies of Jesus, even his own family or relatives. Jesus did not get time to even to eat along with his disciples because they were busy doing their ministries, mission. That is the reason he did not find his timetable to eat. But when he did the mission of God, or when he did the ministry, people started accusation on him. So this is what we need to learn from today's gospel, is that in spite of accusation, Jesus continued his mission, his ministry. He did not stop. He did not mind about their criticism or accusations on him. In the same way, we need to do our task, responsibility, ministry or mission, even though people are accusing. And who will be the first enemies? Our own relatives or families or friends. According to Mark Gospel, Jesus has been rejected by his own family members, by his own disciples. As we know, Judas is going to betray him. And he will be rejected by the religious leaders, political leaders. At the end, he will be crucified. So according to Mark Gospel, Jesus is rejected by everyone. Only in John's Gospel we find Mary, the mother of Jesus, and John, the beloved disciple of Jesus, they are standing at the foot of the cross. But whereas in Mark Gospel, no disciples, not even Mary is found under the foot of the cross, because he is rejected by everybody. Only God is his help. Today we have come here to experience the presence of Jesus. As Jesus was doing in ministry, still he is doing his mission work, his ministry. Let us pray in this Mass that we may experience the healing touch of Jesus. Many people followed Jesus because they wanted to hear the message of God. May the good Lord bless us all in this Mass.